We are back. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And guess what? I got the coat back. And guess what else? I was wrong, you guys. I can admit when I was wrong, I was wrong. All right. So somebody in the comments actually told me what I had to do. And my friend that loaned me the jacket for review told me what I need to do. It is in the instructions, okay? So I didn't see it. I apologize. The instructions, didn't read it. All right, so basically what you have to do is you have to hold the power button down. Hold it until you see the red, and that's it. Oh God. So you hold it down and you let it turn red. Now I'm going to take it off and do a simple temperature test on this. All right, you guys, so let's see. So I just took the jacket off. Of course it's going to be warm, but I'm getting 70, 77 on here. And you can't see it, but y'all just have to take my word for it. So I'm definitely getting 82 right there, 80. It says let it warm up for like 5 minutes, but let me tell y'all, this thing does get hot, okay? I can admit to that, it does get hot. I've been wearing this for basically a few days now, tried it out. It's official, you guys. This jacket is good. If you want to set the different modes on it, you see red means very hot. This one means the middle mode, okay? Medium heat. And that one is blue, which is cooler. So you have red, white, and blue. All right. Oh, and we have no electric. All right, you guys. And also the USB part is kind of hard to hook up, but I will show y'all the hole for that. If you're using this to do jogs and stuff, you want to use the battery as a portable backup. Now in the instructions it says feed the wire through where this wire in the back comes from. So you feed your wire through, and then in your pocket part on the inside, so the front side of your pocket is right here. If you look on the inside, there is a little slit right here. I put my finger right through it and my hand is in my pocket. So that is how you feed your wire from this middle part to your pocket. So you can have your phone in your pocket and it can charge. All right, you guys, so if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please drop it in the comment section. I will gladly appreciate that. And also on my old video, I will put out a card. I don't know if I could put the card through the whole video, but I will card this video so that way people can come to this video to see how to actually turn the coat on and set it in its different modes. And once again, I apologize, my mistake. So like, comment, and subscribe.